Hello, garden lovers. Welcome back to Gardening on a Budget series. Today, we're going to be discussing Episode 8, Grow Organic Vegetables at Home with Zero Cost. But before we start, if you are new to this channel, do not forget to subscribe to our channel. Imagine growing your own fresh organic vegetables without spending a single rupee. Yes, it's possible. All you need is a bit of space, some kitchen scraps, and a little patience. Whether you have a backyard, a balcony, or just a few pots on your windowsill, you can start growing today. Start with seeds you already have at home. Tomatoes, chilies, coriander, and even spinach can all sprout from kitchen leftovers. Simply save seeds from your veggies, dry them, and plant them in soil from your surroundings or compost made from food waste. No need to buy expensive soil. Use containers you already have. Old buckets, plastic bottles, or broken pots work perfectly. Add your homemade compost. Water regularly, and place your plants where they can get sunlight. In just a few weeks, you'll see the first signs of growth, and it's incredibly satisfying. Growing your own food is more than just saving money. It's a step toward healthier living and a greener planet. So why wait? Start your zero-cost organic garden today and turn your home into a mini farm full of freshness and flavor. Don't forget to like, share, and comment.